Alright, so in this video, bro, yeah, brand new truck, 20-some thousand miles. I didn't even look. Anyways, injector number 5, misfire. Ended up being the harness. But let me tell you how to replace the injector. After you remove all the other bullshit that's on top of whatever's covering the valve cover, once you get to the valve cover, take the valve cover off. And now we're here. Take the harness off. It's not that hard to do. That's injector number 5. Go furthest in the back, that's 6. So right there, you're gonna remove that bolt, and you're gonna remove a rocker box, a fuel line. You'll see in the next video, and pause it. These are the components that you gotta remove, bro, right there. The rocker, the fuel line, and the little lever that's for the valve. That's exactly where they bolt onto. I didn't run no overhead, none of that. Just torque that shit right. I didn't torque it, but you know, and then turn that shit on, clear the code.